Northrop Grumman Corporation's New York Stock Exchange, NOC, RQ-4D Phoenix Global Hawk has recently enabled NATO Alliance Ground Surveillance, AGS, force to achieve a Declaration of Initial Operating Capability, IOC, from the Supreme Allied Commander Europe, giving NATO commanders the ability to perform uninterrupted in-theater operations July 24, 365. The RQ-4D Phoenix Global Hawk variant provides cutting-edge intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR, in support of global security. NATO AGS will help the alliance with persistent regional defense and deterrence, said Jane Bishop, Vice President and General Manager, Autonomous Systems, Northrop Grumman. The commitment of the entire AGS team partnership, both government and industry, has shown incredible dedication, working across cultures, time zones and languages, all aiming toward one goal, providing the alliance with this critical capability. The NATO AGS system is comprised of 5 aircraft, ground and support segments, along with advanced sensor technologies. The Phoenix aircraft has met the rigorous standards required for the first large unmanned aerial vehicle, military-type certification and approved by the Italian Directorate of Aeronautical Armaments and Airworthiness, DI. Companies from across NATO member nations, including Leonardo, Airbus and Kongsberg, comprised the Northrop Grumman-led industry team that developed the NATO AGS capability. The wide-area surveillance of the RQ-4D Global Hawk and the fixed, mobile and transportable ground stations will support a full range of missions, including protection of ground troops and civilian populations, border control, crisis management and humanitarian assistance in natural disasters. The platform's high-altitude, long-endurance capability delivers sustained, uninterrupted in-theater operations providing an unprecedented amount of ISR data to the alliance. With the state-of-the-art main operating base at the Italian Air Base, Sigonella, Italy, data can be rapidly disseminated to Ally. Northrop Grumman's family of autonomous hail systems, including Global Hawk, are a critical component of networked, global ISR collection for allied nations and mutual defense organizations around the world. Global Hawk collects ISR data that enables decision-makers to act with the right information at the right time. Northrop Grumman solves the toughest problems in space, aeronautics, defense and cyberspace to meet the ever-evolving needs of our customers worldwide. Our 97,000 employees define possible every day using science, technology and engineering to create and deliver advanced systems, products and services.